This is everybody. How you all doing? This is Eberfall with the Black Urban Gardening Society. I want to do a quick video to show you all what cilantro looks like when it's going to seed. This cilantro plant, actually this was a few cilantro plants. There was a slow boat variety, and what we're seeing is a bunch of flowers here on these plants. So the cilantro is getting ready to produce seeds. So it'll be seeds for my next garden for the fall, and also it'll be some nice coriander for seasonings. So I have these cilantro plants here in a small little hugelkultur bed that you guys can see. I have some Egyptian walking onions, comfrey in the bed. I have zucchini plants in here. Under the cilantro, there's a Hanson bush cherry. It's a first-year plant that we have in here. We have goji berries in here, and potatoes, and a few other plants as well. But I want you guys to see what what cilantro looks like once it's going to seed, getting ready to produce some coriander, and of course the seeds for our fall garden. So I hope this video helps you all out. Remember, when you let your plants go to seed, also they are great pollinators. There's tons of insects that are attracted to the plant as well. So it attracts pollinators to the garden as well. But you all have a blessed day. And you guys remember, the food that you grow is the food that you know. Peace.